Today, most businesses operate online. And if you're a business with a digital presence, you must be dealing with a variety of digital assets. Product images, videos, banners, sales presentations, social media graphics, advertisements, and the list goes on. Here's a typical scene. You're neck high with creatives for your marketing campaign. You're collaborating with agencies, freelancers, and your internal teams on creatives. The first hurdle, finding the right file in this case, let's say an image. You're wade through your extensive content files and folders across your emails and messaging tools. After what feels like an eternity of scrolling and clicking, you finally find the right image. But then you realize it needs to be resized for Facebook. You send the file to your graphic designer over email for a resized version. And when the revised version lands in your inbox, you're confused if it's the final version or just another draft. Fed up with your asset management? What you need is a DAM, short for Digital Asset Management. With DAM, you can store all your digital assets of any format in one centralized hub, helping you organize and manage them with ease. And collaboration with your stakeholders? DAM makes it easy. The result? Greater productivity, consistent brand messaging, and better revenue opportunities, thanks to your lightning-fast campaigns. But you might wonder, what's so special about DAM? Doesn't Google Drive, OneDrove, and Dropbox do the same thing? Your existing storage might help you store your assets, but manage them efficiently? I'm not so sure. First off, organization in DAM is superior. It helps you find assets in a matter of seconds. How? Let me explain. With DAM, you can classify every file and folder using custom metadata tailored to suit your business needs. For an e-commerce business, that could mean SKUs, the brand's name, product categories, or any attribute of choice. To add to this, DAM offers AI tagging, where relevant tags are automatically assigned to assets. Possible with Google Drive as well, but does it directly help reducing search time? Not really. DAM, on the other hand, helps you build advanced queries that combine multiple organization parameters to precisely filter out the asset you need, all in seconds. Apart from organization, DAMs are better than Drive or Dropbox when it comes to sharing assets with stakeholders. Yes, with the right access. With a DAM, you can prescribe access levels that are more granular compared to the usual viewer, editor, and commentator. Also, sharing is possible both with individuals and teams, and if you want to share assets with external collaborators without adding them to the DAM, you can do it in a secure and controlled manner, using password-protected, expirable public links. Not quite possible with Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Moreover, with DAM, all your feedback and approvals are on one platform, so there's no need for endless back and forth by email or chat. So how do these powerful DAM features help you? For any online business, DAMs help with improving efficiency. You can create and find assets faster, publish faster, do more business, and make more revenue. Also, collaborating with stakeholders becomes risk-free. Whether you're working with local teams in the office or across borders, or collaborating with external partners, DAM guarantees confidentiality. Plus, all communication is in place, so the chance of mistakes is reduced. There's more. DAM helps you keep everything in check, allowing the right asset to be used only for the right purpose, so there is always consistency in your messaging. Now, who gains from implementing a DAM solution? If you're a marketing leader, you'll find that a DAM solution can be a game changer, helping you boost your ROI from your marketing investments. How? Well, it ramps up efficiency and teamwork, ensuring everyone's on the same page with your brand's message. And when your messaging is consistent, customers trust you more and buy more. Now, if you're a photographer or a graphic designer, DAM's that one-stop shop for all your creatives to store, manage, and showcase your work. Because all your files are tagged and sorted by location, subject, and client, it makes it easier to share the right asset with the right member. Speaking of easy, DAM's got your back when it comes to finding what you need in a flash. With its slick organization and search features, you can spend less time hunting down assets and more time bringing your creative vision to life. Whether you're editing, sharing with clients, or collaborating with your team, DAM keeps things moving smoothly. For media-heavy businesses like e-commerce brands, DAM is a game changer. It lets teams focus on meaningful activities while handling the operational heavy lifting. For starters, it helps keep all your product assets, sales ads, promotional videos, campaign banners organized and categorized, so you can find what you need when you need it. Plus, it integrates easily with your e-commerce platform, making asset transfer and updates a breeze. And if your DAM offers real-time optimizations, your assets always look their best, no matter what device your customers are shopping from. For agencies, tracking and sharing work across multiple clients with one email ID can be a hassle. And mind you, you better not apply the wrong client's feedback to the wrong asset. With DAM, this is no longer a risk. Since your assets are organized on the platform according to your client profiles, your accuracy is always 100%. Share the right asset with the right client, apply the right feedback, and always use the correct version, thanks to DAM. It's the ultimate shortcut to happy clients and speedy project deliveries. But like every solution in the market, DAMs have their own set of misconceptions. The biggest one, DAM systems are only beneficial for big companies, but that's far from true. DAMs are great for SMBs too. Small and mid-sized businesses today are churning out digital content faster than ever. With all these digital platforms at their fingertips and user-generated content on the rise, it's like a content explosion out there. So having a DAM to manage all that makes complete sense. Also, small and mid-sized businesses often work with distributed teams, agencies, or freelancers on both creative and marketing projects. DAMs fit perfectly into SMB workflows, offering an easy platform to organize, share, and distribute digital assets. Plus, DAMs like ImageKit offer customizable features and flexible pricing to fit smaller budgets. Now that you've learned what a DAM system is and how it can boost your business's efficiency and collaboration, what are you waiting for? Sign up with ImageKit today to store, manage, and collaborate on your digital assets with ease and experience the benefits firsthand.